Hello everyone. We are Team KisanKalp. I'm Danya and I'm Danvi. We are studying in grade 8, next public school, Kuttali, Mysore. Our theme is local community problem under open innovation.
Problem statement is to design an eco-friendly, locally sourced grain storage vault to reduce post-harvest losses for farmers. Every year, India loses millions of tons of grains after harvest due to moisture, pests, and poor storage practices. For smallholder farmers, these post-harvest losses not only reduce income but also threaten food security.
Studies show that up to 10% of grains are lost in storage alone. Insects, rodents, humidity, and fluctuating temperatures contribute significantly, while traditional storage methods offer little protection.
To address this challenge, we at KisanKalp designed an eco-friendly, locally sourced grain vault. Our goal: optimal moisture control, natural pest deterrence, optional monitoring, and improved storage compared to conventional methods. Testing over a week showed excellent results. Moisture stayed within safe levels, temperature remained stable, and no pest activity was observed. The grains stayed fresh and healthy, demonstrating the vault's effectiveness.
The vault uses a double vault design with sand as insulation and a natural paste of neem, turmeric, and camphor to deter pests. A raised platform prevents moisture seepage, and optional sensors monitor humidity and temperature in real time. The inner container is designed with a gravity based harvest opening, allowing farmers to easily dispense grains without opening the entire vault. This reduces the risk of contamination and keeps the stored grains safe and hygienic while making it handling simple and convenient.
The vault is low cost, sustainable, and easy to build using local materials. Farmers can reduce post harvest losses, maintain grain quality, and secure their livelihood, all without chemicals.
KisanKalp, empowering farmers with smarter, eco friendly grain storage solutions. Together, let's reduce waste, preserve quality, and strengthen food security.
Together, we worked on building and testing KisanKalp, a low-cost grain storage vault. We also developed a research document. Thank you.